So I'm gonna go inside Hazer. This is a cover story. Cover story. I don't like Hazers. This cover story. Go inside cover stories. Show you him. Cover story. He's a big boy. He's one of my favorites of the place. Dude, how many times you gotta knock your water bucket down, dude? You gotta fix it every time you knock that down all the time, don't you? Always knock that down. Yeah, this is Hazer. He's a funny one.